What's your mermaid doing?
Oh,
What? Oh, you gave that. What you got down there, Goosey? What are you working on?
I'm working on bees.
On bees popcorn,
Yeah.
Barbie.
Don't do that, Daddy.
Hey, Bee.
My
Your potty?
potty.
Bee, look at Mommy.
Cheese.
No, tell Mommy, what did you get for Christmas?
I get a seahorse.
You got a seahorse. What else?
And I got a potty.
You got a potty and a mermaid. What else?
Where's my mermaid?
What?
Where's mine go? Mine.
What else did you get?
I get a mermaid and a baby.
And a baby.
And I get a mermaid.
Shh, just a minute.
I get a mermaid.
Did you get anything Minnie Mouse?
Yeah, Minnie Mouse potty.
You got a Minnie Mouse potty?
Yeah, it's, I see, come on, I want to do it. Come on.
You're gonna take it in the bathroom and do it? Okay, I don't think it's only for big girls.